I'm not gonna stop.
I'm a survivor.
Oh.
I'm a running. Oh, let's do outfit of the day. Go.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Let me put my shirt on.
My fit. This is from Shein.
Shein.
From Nike. My Air Maxes.
Okay, here, my turn. This is from Target.
Okay.
These are from Macy's, and these are New Balances from Journeys.
These are from Levi's. This is from Forever 21, and this is from Vans.
Hers fast, that one.
Off.
Actually, you can see them
That's
from
very
the back.
I told you. No, I'm fine.
Oh, look at this churro.
You take off my lint off my back.
Yeah.
Here, turn this shit on.
The fuck? It's all like get all your hair.
You
Here.
know, maybe I'll take it later.
Show your room.
Why?
Dude, I want to look back at these in the future.
In 10 years, could you imagine where all of us will be at?
Yeah.
You'll be probably 28, and then I'll be 27.
28 in 10
It's
years?
because Ivory will be 21. Oh, no, 18.
I'll
in
be
10
27, you'll be 26. Wait, when's your birthday?
years. You guys will be the
Did you
same
turn
fucking
16
age.
this year?
Yeah.
No, we're not. I'm turning 17 this year.
Yeah, I told you.
So I would be 27 and she would be fucking 26.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh shit, I'm all recording
so you'll be Mariana's. Oh, you're
Wait,
Mariana's old ass fucking self.
the fuck up, bitch.
freaking. I don't want to bring my purse, but I have to.
You think we look like Mariana? Everyone tells me I look like you.
I know. Comment down below in the comments.
Imagine
Imagine if we were vloggers though.
Imagine. Oh, let's go show Sebastian. We're gonna get him on camera. Where's cute the one? More cute.
What? Wait, I don't want to bring my.
Where's Sebastian? We're gonna take out of Sebastian. I got your whole back. This is Sebastian. Currently looking for a girlfriend who won't break his heart. Right?
Yeah.
Dude, Churro didn't even eat the fucking sausage you gave him. Yeah, so we're going to Knott's Berry Farm. It's,
Do you think I'll look ugly if I wear a hat?
yeah, it's Saturday, July 27th, 8:16. Wait. Focus.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Dude, I could hella be a vlogger.
We should
Yeah.
be vloggers.
Wait, are you sure it doesn't? Let me see. Like, look at the bottom of it.
Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about my AirPods.
Dude, my blush is hella blushing on this camera.
Guys, I'm really getting used to these eyelashes.
Oh, you like them?
Yeah.
You're getting used to them? Okay. I did her lashes. Go in. Get closer, get closer, bitch.
Oh, wait. What sunglasses should I take,
Yeah,
though?
see.
These?
And I did mine. And I did
Okay,
Mariana's.
look at these.
I like those. Those make you look like you're fucking hippie.
Let me see.
Look
The
at
round
them.
one?
The round ones, yeah.
The round ones are ugly.
Does anyone take your charger?
Jamie, are you? Because
I have mine.
You guys do.
Yeah, I have mine.
My charger's in the car. Oh wait, I did not put on perfume. Should we take
Can I
perfume?
use some of your Ariana?
But if we leave it in the car,
They're still there.
are you hold the camera?
Can I use some of your Ariana Grande?
Yeah. Do you think if I take this, you'll notice it?
Put it in
That
your-
is so cute.
Huh?
Oh, for real, give me some. Or rub some in wine.
Oh, it smells so
That's right.
fucking good.
Ooh, I smell it.
Or like put some on your hand and then go like that. Like on your body. Oh, but you might stain your thing.
I love this one so much. It gives me nostalgia.
We're all gonna smell like it right now. Go
Okay, I'm
up
gonna
there
put
like a
this one in
fucking
my
storm. Oh, I can't wait to look back at these when we're older. I'm like, damn, dude, we were ugly as fuck in 2024.
I can't find my.
I need to switch what's in my purse and my fucking. Okay, let's go.
Future self. Oh my god, I'm actually
Birthday.
going to Knott's Berry Farm Beach.
Okay, bitches, hold on.
She's gonna get left with Abby right now.
Abby.
Ew. Show yourself!
Oh my gosh, I almost fell.
It's like a shot, you just drink it.
Oh, why would I?
I don't know. Just in case. Fine.
Oh wait, are we still gonna do
How like
this?
Melanie? Show yourself!
That was your dad.
Show yourself!
Do I still record?
It's the best.
How do I stop?
I have a gallon of this in the drink.
Hi guys.
I have a gallon. And the shirt.
How do I stop? Wyoming.
Say hi, honey, Wyoming.
Wyoming?
Sometimes we just gotta live in a moment, guys.
Dude, I'm so scared that I'll drop it.
Letty just starts rolling down, dude.
Don't make fun of her like that. Stop making fun of her.
She's stomping right now.
She's just laughing. That's funny.
This is gonna overheat.
Oh hell no, you better not.
Dude, it's really, really hot.
Hold it up.
Okay,
Let me see what are they?
I think Sebastian's gonna get the wettest. I think I am.
I think I'm gonna get him a pedicure.
Oh my.
I think Jamie's gonna get the wettest. The wettest.
Oh. Wyoming? Who do you think's gonna get the wettest?
You?
Me. Jamie's sitting in the front.
I am the one.
Go. They're right there. That little like orange and yellow building. Go with her.
Look, I'm recording the restaurant.
No, of course not. We're just gonna have it like, just in case we get kidnapped. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, my phone is right here. That hurt. Oh wait, hold on. That couple right there is cringe. It's like, people are gonna hate us for doing that. Wait, they can hear us? There's like, it's a video. Oh. I think that Edgar couple is not gonna make it. I think restroom. What am I supposed to do? Just wait.
It's literally so hot.
It is very hot. I am sweating. Isis, hurry. Anyways, look at I'm all sweaty. Restrooms have little both sweaty. You didn't even wait for me. I did wait for you. Dude, the line hasn't even moved. Let's just walk a little further down. Let's just keep walking. You're like, oh, we got lost. Dude, look at all this that we have to wait. What if I just hold it up like this the entire time? Yeah, so we're gonna go and... When can you get food again? Like in 3 hours? Oh. 3, 2.5? Never mind. Where do we go? I want to fix my makeup.
I wanted to, but I didn't bring my powder.
I have one that will
work?
yeah. But okay, should we go back?
Yeah, Beyonce. I'm thirsty. We need to figure out.
Oh my gosh, there's funnel cakes right here. Wait, let's check how much they cost.
$14.
That's actually not that bad. I'm not gonna get one right now, but I just want to see. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. Fully loaded with ice cream and topping. Okay, let's go.
So I want to get a water. Oh no, I want to get something to drink.
Okay, in the meantime, I'm gonna fix my makeup.
I need to fix mine too. Can I get a Sprite, please?
Right?
I find this funny.
The block?
Yeah. Thank you. Watch your step.
Hold on. Smells like ass cheeks.
Yep.
Here, you want to use it? Here.
When we get there.
Oh, when we get there? Stay here. Dude, look.
I don't know how to turn this shit off. Do you know how to turn it off?
Yeah, hold on.
Or you can take pictures instead of this.
Okay, bye guys. See you in
A year.
a year.
Yeah, I know. I just don't want to. Ready?
No.
Nice, what's today?
Hmm?
It's Saturday, July 27th at 3 o'clock. Not spray frame. We're gonna watch this shit in like 2050.
Oh, look at.
Damn.
I had to get the zoom in. Hi, Mona. Say hi.
What?
To the camera. Say hi to Chad.
No, I have.
Look at Plata. Oh, fuck. No, here, get it, because if one. Oh, wait, we're not going down yet, huh? You're scared, Mondo?
I'm fucking dead.
Huh?
Okay.
What? Here. Oh, wait, no. Here, get it. Get it. I'm recording.
So we're at the. What's this red called? Something Snyder, Ryder.
Wait, I want to do the Annalisa.
Hamburger sliders? Hamburger sliders?
Yeah. And we've been waiting. It said 15 minutes, but it's not been 15 fucking minutes, so more like 50. But yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All sweaty as fuck. Isis still has her makeup on, looking cute. Wait, let me
They look all depressed.
Let me take a picture. Why is this so zoomed
My
in?
tan looks so bad.
You can see it, huh? I can't. It's too like. Take a picture of us, Mondo.
I'll take a picture.
Yeah, you take.
What are you for?